Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete Candy Crush Saga account. Deleting your Candy Crush Saga account is super easy, so make sure to follow along till the end of the video. The first thing to do is to open your Candy Crush Saga application and make sure that you are logged in to one of your accounts. From the home page, tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner and tap on it. Now this will open up the settings interface where you'll need to tap on the little cross icon with a human icon in it at the bottom of the screen. This will then show you how you can delete your account on Candy Crush Saga. Once you delete your account, you will lose all the progresses, purchases, and data related to the game, and you will not be able to recover your account after deletion. You may need to contact King Support for help if you encounter any issues or if the option isn't visible. Once you get to this page, it'll literally tell you how you can delete your game and its data. Scroll all the way down at the bottom of the screen and tap on Delete My Account if you want to delete your account. Now enter your email address correctly, make sure that they are correct, and finally click on the Delete My Account button and follow through the instructions. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to delete your Candy Crush Saga account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.